In this video, we will learn how to manage inventory for a part that is set up within FloorVisio. In this example, we will continue to look at the sample customer sample fabricated part. And so if we have a certain amount of quantity we want to keep track of in inventory, we'll first select on inventory and then we will click inventory for the part number. You'll see the inventory dialog appear. And to add inventory, we will select the plus icon. We will give it a location. In this instance, it's already filled in as location A1. Who is adding the inventory and how many they're putting into inventory? We will say 15 pieces. And then click on the Add Inventory button. We'll now see that the inventory is 15 pieces each and it's in A1. Now to remove. Apart from inventory, we will click on Inventory, select Inventory for the part number. And we will choose the minus. Here, it tells us where it's at. Who is removing it from inventory, who they're giving the part to, and then the work order. Here, you can scan the work order and it would put the work order details here. Or if there is not a work order, you can simply just type none. Returning, you'll answer yes or no. There are instances where you may have a container full of fasteners and instead of just counting out a certain amount to the operator, you would give the entire container to the operator and they'll bring the container back and you would cycle count what is returned. In that instance, you would choose yes that you're checking out all of them, but their operator will be returning them back and you'll cycle count them and put them into inventory. If what you're giving will not come back to the inventory, you'll select no. And then how many pieces you're removing, we'll say 2 pieces, and then you select the Remove Inventory button. You'll now see that we have, instead of 15, we have 13 pieces. Now if we click on Inventory per sample part, we'll see that we have our history here. And so here's where Demo Admin added 15 pieces. That was our initial transaction. And then we see where we removed 2 pieces from inventory and gave them to Demo CFO. On 3.6. Now there's also the ability to audit your inventory. So when you click on Audit, you can update the location, who is auditing the inventory, and they can type in the correct amount. Now we see there's 50 pieces. And so that's how to keep track of inventory inside of FloorVisio.